Hi, well, basically I'm going to show you how to debug an application, the nitty-gritty details of debugging and how you can go to a particular error and rectify it. So I'll give you a simple scenario. For example, you're building a login page and there is a bug and you want to check the bug. Where is that bug located? So you'll have to do debugging. So in C sharp, the debugger is a simple area, a point where you want to stop the execution of code. Now to stop the execution of code, we will go over here, and this is basically a breakpoint. As you can see, we have declared a breakpoint, and by this breakpoint we will this is where the execution flow will stop. So basically in our login form we are inserting data of user inside our database. Now I'll run the application and we will. So this is our login form. So when we log in, we want to insert the user data, the login history into our table, but there is a bug. So we inserted the breakpoint, and right now you can see that uh, this is basically the error. So we want to quit the application now. Because of the try catch block, we have displayed the error, that is a typecasting error. Now we are going to debug the application by pressing F5 in Visual Studio. Now we will see when our application is loaded, the diagnostic tools are ready to run. And now when we are logging in, you can see the control has been sent over here. Now we can also see the values below changing and what are the different variables and what values do they have. So basically what we are going to do is by pressing F8 we will step over the code by pressing F10. So here I've pressed F10, and as you can see we can go to the next level, and simply when we hover over we can see the current values. For example, this query result ID is 1. So now the code has stopped on our particular area. So this is how we can check different values with debugging our code.